Guna Caves, initially named as the Devil's Kitchen, is a cave located in Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu, India. The caves are notorious for its dangerous history as many people who entered to explore them have disappeared without a trace. As of 2016, police have recorded 16 disappearances in connection with the cave without bodies being retrieved. To date, only one person has ever escaped from the depths of the Guna Caves, which serves as the central narrative for the 2024 Malayalam film Manjumal Boys. History of Guna Cave. The caves were, allegedly, first recorded in 1821 by British officer B.S. Ward, who named it the Devil's Kitchen, but remained in obscurity, for the British, until the late 1980s. In 1991, the caves and surrounding areas were the prime locations in the Kamal Hassan Guna, leading to its name and attracting more tourists. Since then, multiple people have mysteriously disappeared after entering the caves, with authorities being unable to recover their bodies, including that of the nephew of a central minister in 1996. Some of the cases were supposedly suicide, while others were of tourists or locals who went in to explore the cave and fell into dangerous holes inside the caves. From the early 2000s until 2016, the cave was closed to the public due to increasing numbers of disappearances. However, people ignored the warnings and continued to explore the place. As of police records in 2016, the holes in the cave has caused the death of at least 16 people who attempted to explore the cave. In 2006, a group of friends from Mizhunkunnat, Urkam, Kerala went to explore the caves as one among them named Subhash fell into the hole. Later he was rescued through efforts, mainly by his friend Siju David, Kuttan, and locals with the support of police. This incident is depicted in the 2024 Malayalam film Manjumal Boys, which had an even larger impact as the Guna Caves gained more popularity. Even though most of the portions were shot in a film set due to the risk element of shooting at the caves, some of the portions were shot in and around the caves in Kodaikanal. As of 2024, the road to the cave was reopened to the public, but the entrance to the cave still remains closed for the safety of the tourists.